and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different because today we are going to talk about nails. So if you are interested to learn more about this topic, then just keep watching. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, smash that button and subscribe, join the family, because you will not be sorry. Now let's go ahead and see what it's all about. A couple of weeks ago, I was contacted by the old dashing company that asked me if I'd be interested to try their product. And to be honest, at that time, I even did not have any idea who is this company. So I went ahead and Googled a bit to learn more about this company. And this is what I have found. Old Dashing described themselves as being a company who provides beauty products that are meant to save women time and their money. Their instant manicure products is known as press-on nails, and they have plenty of styles and designs to choose from on their website. The price for a set of nails retails now for $11.99 but right now I have seen they are having a discount and I do not get any commission. You can check on their website and you will see the offer right away. And they do ship worldwide. I was really surprised to see how fast the products arrived from China to me. I was quite impressed to see so many beautiful designs. And it was a really hard time for me to decide what to choose because I wanted all of them. At the end, I chose these 3 pairs of nails. And I also picked up a pair of toenails, which I will show them in the end of this video. I decided to try the green pattern nails for this demo. As the red nail seems more appropriate for Christmas time, and the black with white are so elegant and appropriate for a special occasion. All dashing nails are soft, lightweight and flexible. The nails are easy to apply because they came with an adhesive tabs that secure the nails without damaging your natural nails and can be easily removed or reapplied for multiple uses. They are also waterproof, so you can take shower or wash dishes and the nails will not move. They are claiming to last up to 2 weeks. So in a pair of nails, you do get 30 nails of different sizes and 24 self-adhesive pads with each set of nails. And you can purchase more adhesive tabs from their website. You also get a cuticle pusher and a tiny little file. And a pair of pre-application nail prep pads. On the back of each box, you get the detailed instructions of how to apply the nails. So these are the nails and you can see them properly now. Sorry that I mixed up and I was a bit brutal with opening the box. I have to admit that prior applying the nails, I haven't watched any specific tutorial because I really wanted to see how easy and intuitive it is to apply those nails, and I have never used any fake or other type of nails before this experience. This step is not mentioned, but I want to push back the cuticles and to remove any eventual leftover skin from those cuticles. Then I wiped my nails to remove any residue, and this step is required in order to prepare the nails bed to be clean and ready to apply the press-on nails. Next step is really important, and that is to determine the size of nails which are going to be applied. They provide 30 nails just for that because people's nails sizes are different, and it's suggested you to use the smaller size nails when you are between the sizes. I have to say that I have made myself guilty of not considering this step, so the nails that were bigger than my nail bed, I have lost them first. Those are the nails that we are going to work with. Peel off the adhesive in the top of the nail carefully. I have problem with this word, I don't know how to spell adhesive. Yeah, peel off the adhesive in the top of the nail very carefully. Align the tab sides with cuticles. Apply and press the nail couple of seconds or more. Let's show that again because apparently I was out of frame. Easy peasy, isn't it? Also, it's recommended to avoid contact with water in the first hour to ensure a long wear time. The left hand is done now, and I cannot believe how fast it was to do it. You can file the nails in the case the size is not right for you, or even to trim them. The fake nails, of course. But here I was my natural nail because it seems a bit longer, so I wanted to adjust the size to the one that has the pressed nail on. And voila! The final look of my manicure is now completed. I love how easy it went everything, and I also did not have any issue to apply nails on my non-dominant nail, as usually it happens with normal nail polish. No cleanup is needed. Yeah, I can't get enough of watching and admiring my new manicure. Now, as I promised, I will show you my toenails. And I want to mention that those nails are not reusable, so keep in mind that. Also, the small nails are provided with a handy applicator on the top, so you can easily fit and stick the nails. Later, after the nails are on, you can trim that out. I have applied mine over 3 weeks ago, and they don't give any sign that want to leave me. So honestly, they are so long lasting, at least for me. And I have worn sports shoes, I have pressed the nails in them and nothing. And I even went swimming with this. Do you want more? Okay guys, so what you have seen before, it was filmed like 3 weeks ago. Meanwhile, I have removed the nails because, as I mentioned, some of the nails I lost them earlier because I did not pay enough attention and I've chosen the wrong size of the nails. But what we will go now is to go ahead and reapply the nails, and we will use the adhesive tabs that were being provided together with this set of manicures. So keep on watching and I will come back with my final thoughts. So just open the package, choose the nails that you want to put on your nails. Them, and that's all. And don't forget to choose the correct size. And also try to avoid any contact with water to ensure long wearing of your manicure. Okay guys, so thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and also I want to thank to All Dashing company for sending me these wonderful nails. I really enjoy using them, and I cannot believe how easy it's to apply and have a perfect manicure in just couple of minutes. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already and you want to be a part of this family, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Stay tuned, bye bye!